Hi, welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen, and I'm Glow. We're in the process of making our dinner for tonight, and we've decided to have oven-baked rice. So I'm going to show you how I do mine in the oven. The first thing I do is I take a container that I'm going to put in the oven. This is a Pyrex, and I believe it's a 1.5 quart. So this would be perfect for 1 cup of rice, and that's what I'm going to bake in there. So the first thing I do is I grease my container or pan that I'm going to use, and I usually do it over my sink so I have less mess, and just so you can see what I do. Then the next thing is, for us it's just 2 of us. I'm going to bake 1 cup of rice, and this is basmati rice that I'm using, and I am going to just do 1 cup, and I'm going to put it here in my strainer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse this rice first. And I just rinse it enough to get any of the outside impurities off. And then rice, when you are cooking it, it's a ratio of 2 to 1. So for 1 cup of rice, you're going to put in 2 cups of liquid or water. And tonight I'm just going to be using water. So I'm going to measure 2 cups. And actually I'm going to use my liquid measuring cup. There is a difference between the two. One, 2, and then I usually add just a little bit extra when I'm baking it in the oven, about 1/4 of a cup. So, and then to that, I'm just going to add, I'm going to do it like this. That's a little bit too much. Probably about a very scant 1/2 teaspoon. Maybe just a little bit more than that. And also I have butter here, and this is about a 1/2 teaspoon of butter. And I'll put that in there. And I'm just going to stir this lightly just to kind of get that salt and stuff going on in there. That's all there is to it. A lot of people use, I know, the instant rice or minute rice, and to be honest with you, I've never tried it. I have been told, and I've read many articles about it, that it loses all of its nutritional value before you even cook it, because they've removed all the hull off of the rice. So brown rice is probably one of the most nutritious. This is a white rice. It still has some of the hull on it, and it's just better for you than the minute rice. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put the cover on this, and I'm going to be putting it in the oven to bake. And you usually keep it in the oven for about an hour at about 350 degrees. I'll see you back in about an hour. Bye. Hi, welcome back. Well, our rice is done. It's been in the oven now for an hour, and I'm going to go ahead and lift the lid up. And like I've always said, always lift your lid away from you or people that are around you. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. See how fluffy that is?
Pretty fluffy.
Yeah, that is really nice rice.
Looks good, Miss Glow.
So we're done, and I just wanted to show this to you, and now I'm going to be taking out our roasted chicken for dinner as well. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. Bye.